Welcome to Traders Tips of the 18th of May 2009. Again, May has been one of those months which markets haven't really gone in any direction. Some of the tips we gave last week were some of the small cap financials: African Dawn, Blue Financial Services. African Dawn was tipped at about 140. The share has since run up rather nicely, and as you can see from this graph, it hasn't reached the top of the Bollinger Band. It's still in the bottom area of the stochastics, and so don't get out of the share yet. We're looking at expecting it to go to about 180, 190 before you need to worry about looking at selling. The same with Blue Financial Services. From 150, the share has run up quite nicely, but we will expect it still to test regions of about 2 Rand before you need to even think about selling. Some defensive plays that we've liked and recommended before: Tiger Brands. You can see in the medium term the share is up. It's trading at the bottom of its Bollinger Band, still at the bottom of stochastics, and because the medium term is up, we still like Tiger Brand and we think it's a good opportunity to get into it. Medi-Clinic has got a bit of a different situation in that the medium term trend on the share is down, but there is a support level here at about 1960, and provided the share doesn't break through that support level, we would like to see it how it's tested, and it might be an opportunity to get into the share. It's trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and you can see though that the bottom Bollinger Band has been narrowing, so we're expecting less volatility on the share going forward. There's been a lot of talk on the UK markets particularly, but also in the USA, of a recovery in property, and now being the opportunity to get into property. Liberty International, one of the better UK property players, it's right in the bottom of the Bollinger Band, bottom of stochastics. The medium-term trend on Liberty is still up, and so we think it may be a fine opportunity to get into Liberty International. We also like Remgro, who produced their results last week. The trend on this share is also nice and up. Bottom of Bollinger Band, bottom of stochastics, fundamentals are good. So if you haven't got Remgro in your portfolio, certainly something to consider. Another share to consider in your portfolio is Standard Bank. You can see that financial stocks over the last month have run in a very narrow range, and you can see this with just about all the financials. But the medium-term trend on Standard Bank is certainly up. It's now trading in the bottom of the Bollinger Band, bottom of stochastics. We like Standard Bank. We think if you haven't got in your portfolio, it presents an opportunity. Nedbank was one of those shares that has taken a bit of a pounding because they didn't quite deliver on their results, although the trend on the share is also up. See, it's the bottom of Bollinger Band. Stochastics haven't quite turned and reached its under 20% range yet, but one to watch. May still fall a little bit further. Sun International, a nice medium-term uptrend on the share. Bottom of Bollinger Band. Stochastics are coming into play as well. We think it's certainly one to watch, and any weakness might present a buying opportunity. Tukunjala. This is one of these shares that have a medium-term trend of going up, but it's really a speculative play. The support level here is 41 cents, and we would think that if you can buy at 41, there might be an opportunity for a bit of short-term play on the share. But whatever you do,